Alright, listen, this creamy chicken and dumplings will fix your mood. 1 pot, Dutch oven, bone-in thighs for real flavor and mini dumplings that steam up fluffy like little clouds. Start with 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, about 2 to 2.5 pounds. Season with 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. In a Dutch oven over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add 1 tablespoon of oil too if you want the chicken to brown more easily without the butter getting cranky. Lay the thighs skin side down and don't touch them for 5 to 7 minutes. You want deep golden brown. Flip and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Pull them out and keep all those drippings in the pot. That's your flavor bank. Drop the heat to medium. Add 1 diced yellow onion, 2 diced carrots, and 2 diced celery stalks. Cook 6 to 8 minutes until softened, stirring and scraping up the brown bits. Add 4 minced garlic cloves and cook for 30 seconds. Now we're going to thicken the base. Add a 1/3 cup of flour and stir it around for about 1 minute. You're cooking off that raw flour taste and building that thick, cozy texture. Slowly pour in 5.5 cups of chicken broth while stirring so it stays smooth. Season the pot with 1 teaspoon poultry seasoning, half a teaspoon dried thyme, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, and black pepper. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Put the thighs back in, skin side up. Cover and simmer on low for 25 to 35 minutes until they're tender and shred easily. While that cooks, make dumplings. In a bowl, whisk together 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add 3/4 of a cup of whole milk and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir just until it comes together. Don't overmix. Thick and scoopable is the goal. If it feels dry, add 1 to 2 tablespoons more milk. Fold in 2 tablespoons chopped parsley if you want. Back to the chicken. Pull the thighs out. Remove the skin if you want. Pull the bones, shred the meat. Put the shredded chicken back in the pot. Keep the heat low. Now make it creamy. Stir in 1 cup of whole milk and half a cup of heavy cream. Let it gently simmer for 3 to 5 minutes, no hard boiling. Taste and adjust salt. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. If it looks too thick, loosen it with up to a half cup more broth. Now, dumplings, your mini method. Keep the stew at a gentle simmer. Use 1 teaspoon to scoop the dough. Use a 2nd teaspoon to shape it and slide it off onto the top of the stew. Little oval pillows, space them out. You'll get about 24 to 30 mini dumplings. Cover the pot and do not peek for 12 to 14 minutes. If you peek, the steam drops and your dumplings turn into little disappointment nuggets. Now check a dumpling, fluffy and cooked through. Turn off the heat, optional. Stir in a half cup of frozen peas for the last 2 minutes if you want that pop of color. Serve it hot and thick while it's at peak comfort. This is quick and easy chicken and dumplings with real flavor and dumplings that actually come out right. If you want the full written recipe, exact measurements, and notes, go to kelvinskitchen.com, like, subscribe, and drop a comment, Team Mini Dumplings or Team Big Dumplings.